creating a MyMirror account. Once you have logged onto the website, you want to hit Login on the top right corner and find Sign Up down the bottom. Here you can start to create your account by first entering your first name and your last name. Next, you'll want to enter your mobile number, followed by your email address. You'll also need to enter your postcode. Select your gender, female, male or unspecified, and enter in your birth date by date, month, then year. Here you can add in your next of kin, and here you can enter, do you have a mental health care plan? Yes or no. If yes, you will always have to give consent to share your details with your GP. Then you'll want to choose a password. This must be at least 8 characters. Try to use a combination of lower and uppercase characters. Next, you will need to select How did you discover MyMirror? And also choose what led you to discover MyMirror services. Once you have read the terms of service, click I agree and create my account. This will now send you a verification code to your mobile number, which you can enter and hit submit. If you have any further questions, please contact our customer success team on 02 9090 4730 or email us at hello@mymirror.com.au.